Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M53, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So, to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and tap on your power key. This will bring up your boot options right here. So what you want to do is hold power off. This will then change into safe mode instead. So click on it once again, and this will initiate that reboot. Now, while the device is rebooting, I'm going to quickly go into a little bit more in depth into this mode. So this mode is used to troubleshoot your phone. If you have some kind of problems with it, where some app might be causing you problems you can't get rid of, or the device just doesn't function as it should, you can try to put it into safe mode instead and try to resolve your problem there. Because if any app was causing you problems before, said app will not be able to run in this mode. As you can see, once the device boots up, it has this little watermark right at the bottom, safe mode. This will stay here as long as we are in this mode. And also when you unlock your device, you can see that widgets aren't working anymore, and certain apps will also not function here. Now you can quickly know which app won't be able to run here because it becomes monochrome. So right off the bat I can tell you that two apps on a freshly installed system right here are already disabled. So Facebook will not run, which comes with the device, and the Tips application also will not run. And as you can see, normally Facebook would be blue and white. It's just kind of grayish right now, same as this app. So that is how you can define which app can work and which one cannot. Any other app that you can see that looks just normally with its typical colors will run without any kind of problem. Now, once you're done with this mode, to leave this mode, all you need to do is, again, go back to your boot options, select restart. Once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.